Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D4, chapter number 3, exercise 3A, that is about the introduction to probability. This lesson is equally important for D2 students and D4 students and the students who are going to appear in O-level examination. In this lesson, we will be discussing and understanding the basic concepts and the terms associated with this topic. Okay, before moving to the lesson, I have different gadgets with me. I've displayed them in front of you. These are the gadgets that will be used frequently in this article. Okay, this is the coin with me, and everyone knows that a fair coin has two faces. One is the head, okay, and one is the tail, okay, head and tail. And then the next gadget that we will be using frequently is the dice, okay, and dice will have the 6 faces with one number printed on each face. Like this is the face with number 1 printed on it, then 2, okay, and then we have 3, 4, and then we have 5, and then 6, okay. And then coming to the counters and balls or marbles, okay, and of different colors, and then the standard pack of playing cards. These are the things that we will be using at different places of this concept. So it's really important to understand the meaning and terms of these all things. First of all, we must have heard the statements like this, that there are the chances of rain today, okay, and there are the chances of winning of our school team. There may be the rain today, so the chances or maybe we are not definite in these statements. This can happen or this cannot happen, so all such statements can come under this article. So first of all, it's really important to understand that what is the meaning of the term probability. Probability is a number that reflects the chance or likelihood of the particular event that will occur. Okay, formula for the probability of any event is the number of favorable outcomes for the event upon the total number of possible outcomes. Then there are some important terms like what is the experiment, sample space, and event. So let's discuss these all things one by one. Okay. We are familiar with the term experiment in science class as well. Experiment is the fundamental ingredient of probability theory, and it's an operation or the process that results or an outcome whose occurrence depends on chances. So experiment is the process that results or that ends with an outcome. Suppose I'm performing an experiment in front of you, that this is the coin and I'm flipping or tossing the coin in front of you. Okay, let's see. The coin has two faces and it is landing on head. The coin has landed on head. So experiment was the tossing of coin, and the result is that either we can have the head on it or we can have the tail on it. Okay, and the results of an experiment are called outcomes. So I hope you are clear that what are the outcomes. Outcomes are the results of experiment. Then event, any particular outcome or the group of outcome is the event. Then coming to the sample space. Sample space is the collection of all possible outcomes. Okay, then it's really important to understand that what are the possible, impossible events and certain events. So impossible events, those events that cannot occur at all, they will never be occurring. So probability of such events will be 0. For certain events, the probability will always be 1. Answers of the probability must lie between 0 and 1. Then for the event E, probability of E dash, the complementary event will be 1 minus probability of E. So coming to the last point that is really important for the calculation purpose and for the checking of your calculation If we compute the probabilities and we get the answer that is negative or more than 1, it means that there is some problem with our working. So we have to go back to our working and we have to check the calculations again, because it's clearly written that the answers of the probabilities must lie between 0 and 1. I hope you are clear from today's lesson that what is the probability. Probability means the chance or occurrence of happening or non-happening of something, and formula for the probability is that favorable outcomes upon the total possible outcomes. Experiment is the operation or the process that results and that ends with a result or outcome, and sample space set of all possible outcomes. Please, for the better understanding of the next lesson, watch and understand these all terms and keep these all terms in your mind so that you can understand the next lesson easily. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.